This is my lathe mounted on its mobile base, as space is at a premium like most of us who have to share the garage with the car. Everything has to fit somewhere and be safe. The drawers house as much as possible within reason, like the top drawer for marking and measuring. The second drawer is for chucks and work holding. The third drawer is for sanding, wire burning and polishing. And the fourth drawer is that I can't decide where it fits, so I'll throw it in here. There are 3 sides that are also available to store bits. Anyway, my turning tools live in this holder which I made a couple of years ago. What I've come to realise is that if I change the 50mm diameter plastic pipe to 40mm diameter holes, I can store more tools. Not planning to buy more tools, but you never know. The back row, which is carbide, will stay in the 50mm pipe, plus the small handle tools will be the same. I had to cut a new base from MDF and the top from plywood. More on the MDF later. I clamped the old base to the new base and just drilled through the old holes to mark the new fixing points to the frame. I've drawn this out in SketchUp, so marked out these positions from the model. I also needed to know where I could put some screws to hold both top and bottom together, reducing risk of not lining up. Onto the drilling. I used a force bit to make the hole. They work great on plywood, but MDF is another matter altogether. All it did was plug it up. It took me ages to drill these holes. Finally, at last, I finished all the holes. Time to put it back together and check if it worked. Yes, everything lined up, but the top plywood was really too low. The tools crashed about far too much. Time for a quick rethink. Lucky for me, the top plywood was wide enough to fit on the top and be screwed down. Big relief. It might not be pretty, but it works far better and it frees up more room in the same amount of space. Thanks for watching. Please tick the like button if you enjoyed and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And to my subscribers, a big thank you for your support. Hope to see you soon on the next one. Cheers, Jeff.